Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. Before we calculate about this one, we have the formula in here. The first one that is about the chain rule. So we have y equal to f of capital A. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we need to do first the derivative f of capital A. Later that inside this the function f we have capital A. So we continue doing first the derivative of A. The second one that is about the power rule. So when y equal to s to the power of n. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. And the next one that is about the product rule. So we have y equals to ab. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we need to do first the derivative of a multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by a. And the last one that is about the constant. When y equals to a that is about the constant in here. So if we do first the derivative of y, we have number 0. Now we can apply everything go in here. So in this situation, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. For this one, we keep the same. That is about first derivative 3 of s. For this one in here, we applied about the product rule. Later that we apply about the chain rule in here. So for the product rule, that should be about, we do first the derivative of s multiplied by sine of 3s. Next, we do first the derivative of sine of 3 of s multiplied by s. So for this one, we applied the power rule in here. So for example, we put number 2, go for n. So we have 2s to the power of 2 minus 1. So this one we will have about 2s to the power of 2 minus 1. And we just write about number 1 in here. About s, that is about s to the power of number 1. So we put number 1 gone here. And we will have about 1s to the power of 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, you got 0. S to the power of 0, we have number 1. So this one we have number 2 multiplied by number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. So this one we have number 1. This one we can apply the chain rule in here. So we do first the derivative of sine, we have cosine. And we have 3 of s. Later that we do first the derivative of 3 of s because we have capital A, that is about 3 of s. And we put s in here. So we need to simplify. This one we have number 16. This one we have number 2. Now, on the question, we need to find about this one. So we need to put about s equals to 5 over 4. So when we see about s, we need to change by 5 over 4. So we know that 3 of 5 over 4, that is about number 0 in here. Now we need to put number 0 cone here and here. So sine of number 0, we have number 0. Cosine of number 0, we have number 1. So after we put the value in here, we can find this value. Now, negative number 3 multiplied by 5 over 4 in here. This one, we will have about negative 15 over 4. So this one, we have 22. Next, number 2 minus 15 over 4. That is about negative number 7 over 4. And now we divide both sides by negative number 7 over 4. So we have number 22 divided by negative number 7 over 4. And this one we have negative 88 over 7. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.